All plants give out oxygen during day and carbon dioxide during night. Do you agree with this statement? If yes, then give a reason. Very important question from Life Process, CBSE, grade 10. The answer is yes. Respiration takes place throughout the day and night, but photosynthesis takes place only during daytime. During daytime, as the rate of photosynthesis is more than the rate of respiration, the net result is evolution of oxygen. At night, there is no photosynthesis, so they give out carbon dioxide due to respiration. Then, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis, the process by which green plants and certain other organisms transform light energy into chemical energy. During photosynthesis in green plants, light energy is captured and used to convert water, carbon dioxide and minerals into oxygen and energy-rich organic compounds. In this process, plants take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Hence, there is continuous release of carbon dioxide during the daytime and nighttime. However, during daytime, the waste carbon dioxide released during respiration is utilized by the plants for photosynthesis. Respiration uses oxygen to release energy from stored sugar and produces carbon dioxide as a byproduct. During daytime, photosynthesis is going on faster than respiration. So, normally plants will produce oxygen during the day. During daylight hours, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen through photosynthesis, and at night only about half that carbon is then released through respiration. However, plants still remain a net carbon sink, meaning they absorb more than they emit. Let's see some plants release oxygen at night. Areca palm, one of the best plants to keep indoors. Snake plant. The snake plant is another popular indoor plant that emits oxygen at night. Then Tulsi. Tulsi is another name in the list of plants that give out oxygen at night. Others, aloe vera, peace lily, spider plant, etc.